All right, so I open up with the message of the day is that trying to cover the Kavanaugh story in a fair way is becoming exceedingly difficult. I'm trying to cover this in a fair way. The presumption of innocence in America has been obliterated now by the gender war. We are in the middle of a gender war. That was started by the left in America. Now, the gender war clearly states if you doubt any woman's accusations about misconduct, then you yourself are an abuser. If you doubt them at all, bad person, and you enable this kind of behavior. So this has sent shockwaves through Washington and corporate America. Now, it is very clear to me that politics are driving the allegations against Brett Kavanaugh. All you have to do is look at the lawyers. Stormy Daniels' lawyer now wants to get involved. Okay, so it's politics, right? They hate him. They, the far left, hate Brett Kavanaugh. They want to destroy him. They couldn't do it any other way but misconduct allegations. Not casting aspersions on Dr. Ford, the first accuser. Don't know the other woman, so I can't say anything about that at this point. But I am saying that Dr. Christine Ford chose a radical left law firm to represent her. Right? That's what she did. Radical left. All right? No doubt about it. So you basically have now the media running every lurid charge made by anyone against Judge Kavanaugh. The media puts it in bold type on the internet. It's all over the place. Click here. Listen to whatever lurid stuff accusers come out with, or their attorneys. Put yourself in Judge Kavanaugh's shoes and his family on that one. Okay, now the Democrats feeling pretty good about this. All right, they're pretty confident that this situation is going to lead to Kavanaugh's downfall. And remember, he testifies on Thursday. And even if it does not, the Democratic Party is going to make an issue out of this in the midterm elections. Already the polls show that more American women are favoring generic Democrats than Republicans. The Democratic Party feels it has an issue here, a Me Too issue. They're on the virtuous side of protecting women from misconduct. They, the Democratic Party. While the Republican Party, they're the evil people. Now, no presumption of innocence, because the Democratic Party is calculating that Americans don't even really care about presumption of innocence anymore. They're so used to allegations being portrayed as facts. They don't know. Now, I think that might be wrong, and we'll get to that. The Democrats feeling pretty good about this. All right, and the gender war will be front and center in the midterm vote. Republicans are terrified, absolutely terrified, that, number one, they may be accused in their various districts running for the House or Senate. They may be accused at any time of anything. Very, very scared. They got to play the game. Well, we want to respect the accuser. We want to hear from her. Bending over backwards, the Senate Judiciary Committee to get her testimony on Thursday, which I think is the right play. You want to put her up there. But some people say they're showing weakness. It's more terror. Republicans are terrified. Now, an accusation machine is now in place in the United States. Actually started with me. Okay? I mean, I was confronted by people I never even saw in my life. And that machine worked. And now it has grown and grown and grown and grown, and we're up to the Supreme Court nominee. All right? We're up to the presidency. It's a machine. The machine is well funded. Lots of money behind it. And if there's a whiff of anything on the conservative Republican side, the accusation machine knows where it can go.